You gotta spend your coins to get what you want. What is up, you guys? My hair is looking like WTF. I know, but we're gonna fix it right now. We're gonna fix it in like 3 minutes, 4 minutes into this video, like 4 hours my time. I just took my braids out that I had under my wig. I didn't even comb out my hair. I don't care. Like, I'm gonna let them deal with this because, baby, this is rough. Okay, rough. And I'm gonna show y'all what's finna go down. Y'all see what's going on? Find it, Bina. I'll see you guys when I get in a car or something.
Yeah. Little CC.
I be feeling embarrassed as heck going into the hair salon with my hair looking how it look, but it's okay. I'm good. I'm gonna wash and blow out.
I know you fucking with a demon. Do about anything, please talk. Come inside me, I'm a kid. Want me to make you a scene, girl. Never been that hard to breathe, girl. When we done, you say I need you. I done made you a believer. Can I stop by to see you? Can I stop by to see you?
Top five, you know you're not five, and I fuck 3 or 2 but 1, girl. I'm high now, I wanna see what sun do. The accent sexy in the sundress. Your accent's leaking on my tongue. Yeah, she back to the song, the same for my jack. I made you come and you came right back. Calling me on a late night, I got you leaving like a break pipe. Swimming in your seat just like a diver. And it just creeping like a great white. And I might fuck you in your own.
So your girl is back. I am exhausted for some reason. Don't ask me why. Your girl is back. Oh my god, I'm loving it here. Loving it here. She's feeling herself. Yes, she is feeling herself. Because when I tell y'all I was looking crazy, like crazy. That wig only lasted me literally probably like a week. I wanna say like a week or 2, maybe we could push for 2. So the hair was just horrible, like overall just horrible, bad quality hair. You get what you pay for, because for the price that I paid for that hair, the quality was what it was worth. So you gotta spend your coins to get what you want. I was balling on a budget, and I try to get like a little extra 30-inch for a little bit of money, and it ain't gonna work like that. It's just not gonna work like that. So moral of the story is I would never buy from the vendor again, because when I first received the hair, it was so freaking nice, but you never can tell if hair is good until a month of having the hair, because good hair is gonna last you a year. Good hair is gonna last you a few months, like reusing it like 6 times. Because honestly, I was testing out vendors on AliExpress to see what hair is good, what hair is not, and I think I'm over it, because I done tested like 2 or 3 vendors already, and all of the hair that I tested was bad. So I'm not testing no more vendors. I'm just gonna stick to the vendors that I know is good. Until then, I got this washing set. I feel good. I feel like a bitch, okay? I don't know why I'm so exhausted, but this guy has been driving crazy for like the past 2 minutes. Right now, I am about to go to, well, I'm on my way home, but I gotta stop at CVS because my son is teething bad, and his teeth is about ready to pop out. So he's like really fussy, extremely irritated, and I know his gums are, you know, bothering him. So I'm gonna go to CVS to get him some oral gel. We shall go. They have these. I wonder if this works. I'm scared. I don't want to just get anything. Ran out of the daytime, nighttime oral gel. We probably gonna have Go for this. The lady that worked in the hibachi spot.
Oh yeah.
She was like, "You Millie's daughter?"
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she was like, "You're Millie's daughter? Oh my god, you're so pretty." She's like, "Where y'all from?" Puerto Rican and I said I'm Puerto Rican and Trinidadian. She was like, "What? I never met somebody that's the same nationality as me." Cause she's Puerto Rican and Trinidadian. So
Oh, for real?
she was like, she can't wait to talk to you.
Oh, he wants the bottom.
I've been fiending to try these for nothing.
You don't have to have rice with it right now. You can eat it.
Try
You
it.
wanted to?
Yeah, I want to try it with the rice. So I got seaweed. Ew. It does smell like seaweed. I have to put some rice. Let's see how this tastes because let's see what the hype is about.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ew.
You probably the wasabi flavor's probably not good because the one that my coworker had got, she was just snacking on like it's.
Yeah, this ain't it. I thought I was gonna like this. My bad, y'all. Okay guys, so I decided to come back. I think I'm gonna make this like a weekly vlog. I didn't know where I was going with this vlog, but it's the next day and I'm about to fry some chicken, so I decided to turn the camera on. I got my chicken marinating in some vinegar and a little bit of water. Now I'm about to clean it.
Do me a favor. Pick me up later.
So Cameron wants to help me, y'all.
But baby, I'm thinking maybe we could agree to work it out like this. I need you to give me your time. I need you.
How he figured to slap your mama, the paprika, the minced garlic. Like, what's going on? What's going on, honey? Battery just died. I just changed the battery for this battery to almost be dead as well. I'll probably come back when the food is done. But it's gonna go right in this air fryer. And then I'm making Velveeta with, this is quick meal. Velveeta with plantain. So yeah, I'll be back when it's done. This is how the chicken looks after I was paper plates, baby. Paper plate me. Then I got the Velveetas and the plantain. Y'all going for a quick meal? That is it. You want to be in the camera so bad. You gonna get blurred out anyway. So I decided to make my coffee while I feed him. I don't usually put whipped cream, all for the video. Different. I took my earrings out my ear. I look like a little boy. If you know me, I don't play when it comes to earrings. Like, anytime you see me, I will have earrings on. No matter what, I will always have earrings on, okay? Even though it be little stubs, but it's something. You gotta see sun glistening in this ear. We shall continue the feed. Now I know y'all probably wanna see. I don't have nothing planned today. I'm probably gonna work out. I didn't work out, y'all. Like, I've been slacking, honestly. I caught back up since my last video. I caught up. I've been working out like 3-4 more days after that, and then I stopped. So probably gonna work out today, and if I do work out, it's gonna be an extreme workout for like the 4 or 5 days that I missed, literally. And I don't know, I think I showed y'all last video as well. The gym is finally coming together and everything is practically there. We're just waiting on mirrors. So it's giving me gym vibes. So I'm about to go crazy in that gym. Like, I'm not even playing.
It's nice to meet you. I know you fucking with a deep man. Do about anything to please you. Come inside me, I'm a kid. Want me to make you a scene. You I've never been that hard to breathe. You when we done, you say I need you. I done made you a believer. Can I stop by to see you? Can I stop?
So yeah, Cameron just made me something to eat and I wanted to show y'all how cute the presentation was.
I'm supposed to be vlogging.
Here we go, Mr. YouTuber over
How
here.
you vlogging and I'm supposed to be vlogging?
Look at that. Oh.
Okay.
Not focused. How did you just give me one toast though? 2 eggs and 1 toast.
Mm.
2 eggs and 1 toast.
When I do that, it's make my nose itch.
That? Oh,
Okay then. You try to get your food. You try to get your food.
He's gonna take my phone. Hey y'all. Getting dressed because Cameron decided we should go to a Mexican restaurant. And I'm for it to go out to eat. Why not? Why not? So I'm getting ready. Fragrance for today is Fruity Almond. This is inspired by Good Girl. And I'm about to put y'all on to some tea. Hey guys, quick pause on the video. I just wanted to come on here and thank Dossier for collaborating with me once again. They have sent me 2 perfumes of my choice again. I just wanted to give y'all a little tea on the perfume because I actually do enjoy collaborating with this brand because they are the truth, okay? There's no ifs, ands, or buts, no side notes, no none of that. It's the truth, okay? Dossier reproduces high quality fragrances for the fraction of the actual price. You're looking to bowl on a budget but you want to smell real good, you better hit up Dossier because they're giving you that high end for the low. So this first scent that I have is Fruity Almond. This is inspired by Good Girl, and when I tell you it smells just like it, my mom actually has the Good Girl perfume and it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? The packaging comes as so. this box, and then you just open it, and then they give you a card, a little card, a little thank you note, and they just give you on the card notes, the inspiration and the concentration. So this fruity almond is inspired by Good Girl. The concentration is 15%. Fruity almond definitely gives me every season vibe. Like, I could wear this in the winter, the summer, the spring. So the next one is Floral Violet, and this is inspired by the Marc Jacobs, the Daisy. The concentration on this is 20%, and honestly I do not know how the actual one smells, but I definitely wanted to give it a try because I am going to find out probably this week, because I'm going to go into Ulta and see how it smells, because I heard a lot of people talking about it. Yeah, you guys, I definitely think you should give Dossier a try. You get high-end luxury scents that cost $70 to $350, $100, and you can get these for $30. Like, come on, you can't beat that. It lasts all day. This is not my first time collaborating with them, so I have 2 other perfumes, and those are strong and they last all day. These give luxury vibes, okay? They also have a risk-free system for allowing customers to try the perfume before actually committing to them. So if you don't like it, you can actually send it back. I just want to thank Dossier for collaborating with me once again. I love Dossier's perfumes. Yeah, I cannot stress this enough. They give you high-end in a bottle, okay? Thank you guys for collaborating with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. So, change of plans. My mom is cooking, so we're not going out to eat anymore, but I'm about to work out before I eat.
Shawty made that ass she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on it, these niggas go. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of fake. I wanna start at the top in the bottom bed. Now you want the shit with the bed at the bottom bed. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside the Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't lose a side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you gonna do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go.
Hey guys, my hair, my edges fell out. I don't know how, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. I just wanted to come on here to end up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.